Hi, I'm Lynn Sutton, and my business is Kairos Consulting Worldwide. And it's a management consulting firm. So what we do is go into companies that are looking to streamline, reduce their costs, or usually it's increase productivity. And we help them identify ways to do that, and then actually get them there. I know that there are a lot of business owners that are struggling for business, and we happen to be very fortunate in that when the economy is the way that it is, many companies, mid-sized and large companies in particular, look for ways to streamline. So they actually look for our services. And we have been fortunate in the last year to get a lot of international business and also some government contracts. So we recently got a contract in September with the Department of Defense. It was our first government contract, and it was a large one, about $1.26 million was the total of that contract. And as we got started on it, we engaged several banks, the one bank that we had the longest relationship with and a couple of others, just to try and identify where we could get a line of credit. And we were not able to. We were told, you have great credit, you have a great history of paying back, paying your debts at a good clip, but we are not able to give you a line. I was extremely frustrated, extremely, because we were, we came very close to, several times to not being able to meet the payroll. And it was, it was a nail-biting, on that respect, because I'm trying to make the commitments that we had made. But on the other side, it was infuriating, because here I had been told from banks and from other institutions, yes, if you get the contract, then the banks will be there. The SBA had often said you can do guaranteed loans through the SBA, and none of that worked. It's really difficult to go after new business without having the capital, or at least some comfort level that the capital will be there for you. So that capital piece is huge. So as we look toward our second contract, we're actually positioned now to get a contract with the Department of Energy. We're very, very excited about that prospect, but I'm looking at the same situation and saying, great, now where can we find a line of credit in order to help us fund the beginning of that project? So the size of the bailout package does not intimidate me as much as it needs to be effective. And so the execution of pushing that money out has to get where it needs to go. And we have to be much more creative than just pushing it out to those at the top and hoping that they are responsible and do the right thing with it.